Hey, Funkytown want to get it clarified for his team. Oh, okay, here go, he calling it. No, neither one of them broke out. Neither one broke out. That's what it takes for Funkytown to pay y'all. Yeah, I got one. Here you go right here. There go 2 10s. Already. That's what it takes to get Funkytown money. Everything needs to stop. He needs to make sure, goddamn. And then if he win, he finna check your money to see if it's fake. What's up with it, man? Hell yeah! Goddamn. Okay. Ah, damn. He got low oil pressure. His oil pressure on 20. still ain't got it right like he wanted yet. He's still working on getting all the bugs out of it. Oh man. Okay, I hear it, I hear it. Okay, where y'all at on this one? Got the 99 Camaro. Kick Dash in the building. Who else is that we got in here? WW7. Here we go. Right lane for the win. The Camaro won. Went around that old Scat. Here we go. Yeah, man. Let me go see if there's anything else back here with some slicks on. What the hell kind of sign is that? Leave him alone. Look at Murder, the best. It's the best.